Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this side AB length is square root of 3 units. The side AC length is square root of 30. And finally, this side BC length is 3 times square root of 3. And now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And once again, let's focus on this blue triangle ABC. And we can see all these 3 side lengths are known. This side length is square root of 3. This side length is square root of 30, and finally this is 3 times square root of 3. And if I label this side as lowercase a, this side lowercase b, and this side lowercase c, then our lowercase a value is going to be 3 times square root of 3, lowercase b value is going to be square root of 30, and finally the lowercase c value is square root of 3. Then we can utilize this Heron's formula to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And here's the area of the triangle formula, the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s equals to a plus b plus c all over 2. So no wonder this lowercase s is also called the semi-perimeter. However, we can see that this formula is going to be cumbersome and hectic to apply since we are dealing with these radicals. So therefore, we are going to explore alternative approaches. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this AC leg is our longest leg. In other words, this AC leg is bigger than this BC leg and bigger than this AB leg as well. And now let's recall the Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square. And we are going to see whether this Pythagorean theorem holds these values. And now we know that this leg is our longest leg. So therefore, I'm going to label this side as lowercase c. And these 2 smaller legs, I'm going to label this one as lowercase a and this side lowercase b. And now let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So our a value is square root of 3 whole square plus our b value is 3 times the square root of 3 whole square. And now the question mark is whether the left hand side is going to be equal to the c value is square root of 30 whole square. And now we can see this square and square root onto each other. So we ended up with this 3 for this term. For this one here, square and square root onto each other, we ended up with 3, and this 3 square is going to be 9 times 3 is going to be 27. And for this right hand side, this square root onto each other, so we ended up with this 30 on the right hand side. So therefore we can write 3 plus 27 question mark, is it equal to 30? And now we can see on the left hand side this is equal to 30 and the right hand side is 30 as well. So therefore this statement is valid. So therefore this Pythagorean theorem indeed holds. So therefore we conclude that this angle ABC has got to be a 90 degrees angle. In other words, this triangle ABC is our right triangle. So therefore, let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle, since we are dealing with this right triangle ABC. And here we can see our base of this triangle is 3 times square root of 3, and the height of this triangle is square root of 3. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be a half times our base is 3 times square root of 3 times the height is square root of 3. And now we can see square root of 3 times square root of 3 is going to give us 3. And 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be 9 divided by 2. Or simply we can write this one as 4.5 square units, the area of this blue triangle ABC. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue triangle ABC turns out to be 4.5 square units. In other words, the area of this blue triangle is going to be 4.5 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.